Hello friends, today is March 25th. We are going to harvest our asparagus. We can say about asparagus, it is planted once and harvested forever. We planted these asparagus 2 years ago. The first spring after we plant them, we are not going to harvest. This is the second year we can start harvesting them. We will start seeing the shoots in spring. Asparagus is a perennial plant. That means it comes back every year. So when you plant them, decide on a place where it will be growing for many years. So it should have a permanent place for them. We have 7 plants. We can see the shoots coming up.